Hey there, Excel enthusiasts. If you're looking to turn your Excel skills into a source of income, you've come to the right place. I'm an Excel expert on Excelchat, where I help users solve their Excel problems and get paid for it. Today, I want to share with you the top 12 expert best practices that can help you succeed on the platform. After analyzing thousands of sessions, we've identified the best practices that lead to the highest star ratings and the best user experiences. These tips are organized according to the 5-step session format that all Excel chat experts follow. Let's dive into how you can enhance your sessions, starting from the greeting to the closing. Start with a friendly greeting. Kick off your session with a warm, welcoming message. This lets the user know that you're ready to help with their specific Excel issue. Welcome to Excel Chat. I see your question is about an Excel formula. Reassure the user. Tell them you're here to provide a solution, boosting their confidence in your expertise. I can help you with that formula and provide a clear solution. In the diagnosis phase, 4 practices are now mandatory for all experts. These steps help set expectations and ensure that both you and the user are focused on solving the specific problem at hand. For instance, remind users of the one problem per session policy and ask probing questions to fully understand their issue. As you work on the solution, keep the user informed. Explain your solution clearly and confirm that it meets their needs before wrapping up. This approach not only improves user satisfaction, but also increases your chances of getting a 5-star rating. End the session politely, inviting any follow-up questions, and remind them to leave feedback. A satisfied user is likely to leave a great review, boosting your reputation on the platform. If you're interested in becoming an Excel expert and earning money by helping others with their Excel problems, check out the link in the description to apply. You'll get a special bonus after completing 15 sessions. Make sure to follow this channel for more tips on passing the tests and excelling in your mentoring sessions. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more expert tips. See you next time.